Aberdyfi. Some nice scenery roads up this way. Living the dream. Minutes left. Oh, I need to find somewhere to park really. Ideally, I don't really want the lay-by though, because I'm not a big lay-by lover, especially on the Portsmouth road. I mean, I am in the middle of Wales, so obviously the roads will quieten down a bit later on, I'd imagine. We shall see. Either that, or I can have a 45 and carry on for a bit longer and get to where I was hoping to get to up near Aberdyfi. But the problem I have is 2 laybys at Aberdyfi, and there's a slim chance they might have something in it. Then again, they might not, because it's sort of not where a lot of trucks go is Aberdyfi. So Christ knows. Work it out one way or another. 470 for 17 miles. Oh, we're definitely going to have to find somewhere to park. Nearby or somewhere. Thinking. Safety point of view and stuff, but like some of it is just crazy. 50 straight down to 20 and then 30 and then 40, but some of the 20s are built up like some of the 30s, but you had speed limit. So it's a bit of a crazy one. Still good fun though. Oh, they've changed that sign now to 13 foot, 14 foot. Good start to the day. The normal road I take is closed apparently, and there's not really a frigging diversion in the mix. So I suppose at the minute we're hoping for the best. Towards Abu Dhabi. This road don't look the best at all. Dun dun dun. Let's see how we get on, won't we? Oh, you nearly took your wing mirror off then. Thank you. Too bad actually so far. It's a bit windy. She's a bit windy, perhaps. Nice little bit of a lake there. I won't mind getting my little boat out on that for summer. That'll be good fun. When I say a little boat, it's a blow-up boat with a little outboard on it, 8 horsepower. Usually take it up to Coniston and Ullswater in the summer. Go up it there with little ones and that, and it's not so bad. Not so bad. Ah, I know where I am. Doing this road backwards. Ah, we're alright now. I've done this road before. On the way out of here, we're just doing it backwards. Yeah, I know where I am. I know where I am. So it shouldn't be too bad then. Lead me out to the same place when I get to the job. Well, made it to Abu Dhabi. Not too bad, I suppose. Oh, it's turning round now. The shop's going to appear on my left hand side, so I'm going to have to try and I think I'm going to have to go out of town. Just come back in. Delivery point is there now on my left hand side. There's my customer there in the minute. I'll have to head out of town now. Hoping that the road is not closed at the top end, because there's the biggest lay-by where I could possibly do a U. shall see. Squeaky brakes today. Let me go. You get a bit close to that wall driver, really. Oh, you're not so bad. You're not so bad. Head close sign there. It's literally not far though, it's just up round these bends. Hopefully we can jackknife it round. Other than that though, it's a nice bloody view. And there's nobody in it. Yes. Haha. Ooh, it might be a bit tight this actually. The rating bushes. I'm gonna get round. Go on. Go on, you big one. Hey, spin-a-rooney. And I will see you when I'm leaving this drop. That is Abu Dhabi done. Over to Barmouth next. See how we get on for the rest of the day. Hopefully, not much more disruption. Cost me about 40 minutes with that road closure, but we have good time. Hopefully, I should be finished on this run today. We'll see how she goes. I'll check back soon. Almost in Barmouth now. Weather soon changed, didn't it? It was nice and sunny yesterday. It's got a bit diabolical today. It's a bit windy. It's going to be a bit major on this seafront area. Yeah. Into Barmouth we go. Yep. Driver. Spin. Not got much weight on now. I've emptied most of the load, so can't park the van there at that. He's in bed, to be fair, we'll get through. Should get round, should get round. Oh, scrape back at trailer. Steaming up. Nice crash you get through there, mate. Kia driver. Tight. Let's see. It's not so bad. Get through that. Some driver. It. Pave on that one side. Not so bad. I enjoy a Welsh run, to be fair. Do some good customers, to be fair. To be fair, they resurfaced this road a few weeks ago. It was a bit like bumpy and bouncy, a bit gravelly, so resurfaced some of it. Which is not too bad. is. Job comes up on the right hand side. Job is a good one.
You will arrive at your destination.
That's that job done.
1:42 p.m.
On to the next one. I need a break before the next one, to be fair. Ring him and let him know it's probably going to be about 2:30. May have one left for tomorrow at this rate. But it's not so bad. 2 gone. Get out of here now. One way in, one way out, just how we like it. I think that's going to be it for today's video. Just a few drops around Wales. Enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.